Hello everyone and welcome to Youngcraft Academy. आजको भिडियोमा एकदम एक्साइटिङ छ because today we are going to build our own quiz game. Okay? So yes, HTML, CSS र JavaScript युज गरेर क्वेशन सोध्ने, एन्सर क्लिक गर्ने अनि स्कोर काउन्ट गर्ने गेम बनाउने छु. Okay? So let's go. So first of all let me share my screen. Okay. Okay. So लेफ्ट साइड हाम्रो कन्टेन्ट स्क्रिन सेयर गर्ने र राइट साइडमा हाम्रो कोड गर्दै जाने. ओके ल ल सबैभन्दा अब क्विज एप. सो क्विज गेम भन्यौँ. सो हामीलाई हाम्रो फाइल स्ट्रक्चर सबभन्दा पहिला है त. सो क्विज एप एउटा फोल्डर बनाउनु पर्यो. सो हामी ओपन फोल्डर जाने भिजुअल स्टुडियो कोडमा होइन. हजुरले कहाँ सेभ गर्ने भने लोकेसन राख्नु. मैले यहाँ राखेँ. सो मैले यहाँ यसको नाम दिएँ क्विज एप भनेर. ओके नो. सो मैले यसको नाम दिन्छु. राइट क्लिक गर्छु यसमा अनि रिनेम गरिदिन्छु. ओके सो रिनेम गरेर के दिन्छु भन्दाखेरि क्विज एप भनेर एप है त. सिलेक्ट फोल्डर. ओके सिलेक्ट फोल्डर गरेँ मैले. सो अब मैले के भने तीनटा फाइल क्रिएट गर्नु पर्यो. एउटा फाइलको नाम मैले index.html. ओके सो another file name will be style.css. style.css. okay so another we have script.js. So we have created three files. Okay so first of all we are going to code inside the index.html. So first of all we'll use our boilerplate. Okay so we'll give a title called quiz game. Okay so now we are going inside the body tag. No, first we need to link also, right? So first let me link css. Okay so we have linked our css style, so you can open from here as well, right? So now we are going to provide our main code. Okay so our main code will be like this. So first of all we are going to create a div. Inside div there will be a class called what? Quiz box. Okay so quiz box. Now what we are going to create is we are going to create a heading called quiz game. Okay so quiz game heading 1 also complete. Now we are going to provide a heading 2. Inside the heading 2 we are going to provide a id. So sir, what we are going to provide is we are going to provide an id name called questions. Okay so question will be appearing here. So question will appear here. Okay appear appear here. Okay so now what we are going to do is we are going to create code for the options as well. Okay options buttons. So first of all we are going to create a div. Inside div we are going to provide a class called what? Options. Okay so after that what we are going to provide is button. So button where? On click. Okay so on click what? So we are going to provide a check answer. So it will check the answer either it is correct or not, whatever the input has given, right? So inside that we are going to create an id. Okay so sorry id. Let me id. Sorry what happened now? 0, right? So sorry, my mistake. After that, right? So id I created. Id what I will give is opt0. Okay it is for option 0, right? So index file option 0. So after inside that there will be an option tab option 1 like this. Okay so now we are going to make this replica duplicate. Okay control v control v control v. Okay so we are going to change this also value somehow. Control z 1. Okay 2. Okay 3. Okay now we are going to rename this as well. Okay option 4. This is option 4. This is option 3 and this is option 2 and the other one is option 1. And now we are going to rename this id name also. So 1 2 3. Okay so like this you need to create a buttons for the options. Okay now what we are going to do is now we are going to add a score. Okay so inside a paragraph I will create an id called score. Okay so now what I'm going to do is I'll provide in score as a 0. Okay so now after finishing everything so we are going to link our script at the last. Okay so if you want to see this, open with live server. So it will be like this. Okay, questions will be appearing here, and we need to select options. Okay, and scoreboard will change with the help of JavaScript. Okay, so now what we are going to do is uh, we will we will code app for style.css. Okay, so see you next video. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.